Unich Airdrop latest update, Unich Airdrop Badge update. So in this video, we're going to cover their latest update concerning the badge. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. So 11 hours ago, this is what Unich has to say. And they said, if there is a feature you wish Unich had, or you notice something that could become a problem later on, now it is time to say it. We are opening a short feedback window. If the idea makes sense and actually helps users, we will build it. And if your feedback turns into a real improvement, you will get a builder badge. So this is the builder badge. Once you make your own suggestion and it's being approved as a real one, you are going to get a builder badge. And this little feedback suggestion is going to, it started December 27th, which is today, and it's going to end on January 2nd, 2026. Now they say drop your thoughts here. So this is the form where you can drop your thoughts. So what they're trying to say here is that if you have any important or any valid method that can help you need to grow, you should drop your suggestion. Or if there is anything that you need is doing and you don't actually like it, you can also drop your suggestion and they will look into it. If your suggestion or feedback turns out to be a real improvement, you are going to get a builder badge. So how then can we do this suggestion? Right now, we have to go to ChatGPT. Let's copy this. Let's just copy this. Then we go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to help us give us a good suggestion concerning this update. I want a very nice and honest suggestion about Unich Airdrop based on what are we based here. Now let's paste that and see what ChatGPT is going to tell us. So look at the honest review and constructive and user-focused suggestion you can confidently paste as feedback. They are framed to help Unich long-term. Now, the thoughtful feedback and suggestion for Unich, according to ChatGPT, is clearer airdrop qualification transparency. They say that one potential issue is uncertainty around what action truly matter for airdrop eligibility. It could really help users if Unich clearly displayed which activity carry the most weight, whether consistency matter more than volume, a visible progress tracker or this. Another one is anti-cyber and fair distribution method. Then the third is in-app education for new users, gas fee or cost transparency, long-term utility beyond airdrop. So we are going to copy just few of them. Let's just copy that, just few of them. Let me just copy here, number 1 and 2. Now we are going back to Unich. Now we are going to click on this place. This is the form where you can fill. Now coming here, you see that suggestion in badge out. Starting this September, your event suggestion will officially count towards earning the builders. So take your time to read it about the suggestion. And once you are done, the first thing is to submit your suggestion. You're going to submit it here. You paste whatever thing you have. Now you're going to submit your Discord username. My Discord username is Jenny's Crypto Class. Then you are also going to submit your Solana wallet, that is from Phantom or Backpack. So we are going to Phantom or Backpack, whichever wallet you have, and submit your Solana address there. I need to unlock my app. Then after that, I'm going to copy my Solana. You can see Solana here, you tap on it. Once you tap on it, you click on receive. Okay, it's loading. So we are going to click on this receive here. Once you tap on the receive, you copy the address. Now let's go back. So we are going to paste the address here. We are going to paste the address here. And after doing that, you click on submit. So suggestion in badge out, your response has been recorded. So I have submitted a form. So if they found out that my suggestion, so feedback is valid enough, they are going to give me a builder badge. So that is it. Go and try your luck. You never can tell. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.